Good morning, students. Today we will start unit number 6, which is multiple integration. In multiple integration, first we will see double integration. Now you must know the single integration. What is single integration? Suppose integration f of x dx. Here we have single variable x and we need to take the integration with respect to x. Okay, if it has a limits, then it is the integration of f of x from a to b dx. But what double integration means, suppose you need to find the area under some given curve, or you have been given the curve y is equal to f of x. Okay, now first you need to convert this y is equal to f of x. This is explicit function. We need to convert it in an implicit function, that is f of xy equal to 0. Means suppose you have been given, for example, you have been given y is equal to x square. Then how will you write it? Y minus x square equal to 0. This will be f of xy. Okay. Now suppose this is the curve y is equal to f of x, that is f of xy. Okay, this is the curve. Now we need to find the integration from x equal to a to x equal to b. That is, finding the integration from x equal to a and x equal to b is nothing but finding the area bounded by this curve from this point to this point. So clearly we can say that what are the limits of x? X equal to a is the lower limit and x equal to b is the upper limit. Now these are the limits of x, so limits of x are sorted. Now we need to find the limits of y. So what is the lower limit? Lower limit means lower part of this area is x-axis, and x-axis is denoted by y equal to 0. That means lower limit is y equal to 0. Now the upper limit is the curve itself, that is y equal to f of x. So limits are sorted. Now while solving this integration, we need to consider the strips, horizontal strip and vertical strip. Now see, if we consider that this strip has thickness delta x and this strip has thickness delta y, then this common area will be delta x into delta y. That means you need to move this common area throughout this total area to find the area under that curve. Okay, and the integration will look like, first we will write the constant limits. So integration will look like m equal to integration from a to b. These are the constant limits, that is limits of x. So next will be limits of y. What are the limits of y? 0 to f of x. So 0 to f of x, and integration of f of xy dx dy, that is the function which you have converted in implicit function. Okay, so this integration gives us area bounded by curve y equal to f of x from x equal to a to x equal to b above y equal to 0. Above y equal to 0 means in positive y side. Okay, now see,